Hello, graduates. Let me begin by offering our congratulations to you and for what you've achieved with your hard work and dedication, most especially for your completion of an award in the Advanced Manufacturing Design Technology program. Everyone here at Central deeply regrets that we cannot shake your hand and watch as you walk across the stage in a traditional ceremony. However, we are all extremely proud of you. We cannot wait to see what the next step in your future holds. We hope that you'll remember your time with us at CCC fondly, just as we will remember our students that were part of the graduating class of 2020. Congratulations again, and welcome to the ever-growing, amazing Central Community College Raider alumni. The following candidates are eligible for completion of an award in the Advanced Manufacturing Design Technology program. Benjamin Tyler Benton. Adam Ryan Block. Corey A. Broker. Jesse Jennings Buss. Luke J. Chamberlain. Axel U. Cifuentes. Brian O. Fanholtz. Zachary J. Hurd. Nolan Jameson Lazaroff. Aaron J. Levering. Taylor A. Meyer. Connor Lynn Miller. Isaiah J. Moran. Freddie A. Navas Valdez. Daniel Novoa Ariando. Osni Oliveras. Ismar L. Ortiz Garcia. Chase G. Paulson. Rigoberto Dorian Perez. Thomas R. Peterson. Samantha C. Ponce Hernandez. Corey L. Reich. Gabe S. Sampson. Austin J. Schleicher. Michael Thomas Smith. Jacob Brandon Spitz. Daniel J. Teachworth. Blade Michael Wagoner. Wade Austin Winsky. Brendan J. Wynn.